Hello and welcome to this Surface Lab tutorial. My name is Julia, and today I would like to show you some tips and tricks about the Spectrum program which you might not know yet. A mask calibration list combines a number of mask peaks used to establish a mask scale. If the mask calibration dialog is opened, the calibration points used for the current mask calibration are listed. You can make this list permanent when you copy it to one of the 5 mask calibration lists. It can be used now for other datasets as well. When you apply a saved mass interval list to a new spectrum, it might happen that the peak margins do not fit the peaks perfectly, but you don't have to adjust them manually. Just press the button in the peak list toolbar and the software will adjust the peak margins of all peaks in the peak list automatically to fit the peak. In the spectrum detail view, press Ctrl and move the cursor across the peaks. In the vicinity of a known peak, the cursor label shows the assignment and the deviation from that peak as long as Ctrl is pressed. Since Surface Lab 7.0, there are previews of the lateral and in-depth distribution of the selected peak. This is very helpful for a fast and easy identification of interesting peaks. With the shortcut Ctrl and plus or minus on the numpad, you can jump back and forth from peak to peak real quick and observe the preview. Did you know that you can add labels in the print preview with the right mouse click on the peak? The new label will be added to the graph and the currently selected label list. Let's go over to MVSA results. In a loading scatter plot, you can make a group selection with Ctrl and left mouse drag. With the hotkey C, you can change the color. In this way, you can pick mass intervals which represent the scores. After that, you can sort the intervals in the peak list by color for further data evaluation. I hope you have enjoyed this little video and maybe you have learned something new today. My name is Julia. Thank you for watching and goodbye.